In today's video, we'll discuss the upcoming women's Air Jordan 4 Shimmer that will drop on Friday, September 3rd for a retail point of $200 on the Nike Sneakers app and select Jordan and Nike retailers. When it comes to where to buy the women's Air Jordan 4 Shimmer, be sure to check the description below for all the links. Now, the last time that we had a women's exclusive sized Air Jordan was this hype was last year's Air Jordan 3 Laser Orange. And as you can tell, only sizes 10 and up have increased well enough to where those would have been a good hold. Would expect a very similar pattern for the Air Jordan 4 Shimmer. Of course, the best sizes will be 11 and up, but 10 and 10.5 shouldn't be too bad if you decide to hold. Now, pertaining for an estimated resale prediction, I would expect the Air Jordan 4 Shimmer to range from anywhere from $230 to $350. And when it comes to the top sizes for around that $350 value, I would only expect 11.5 and 12 to perform that well. When it comes to 10.5 and under, they will drop drastically in value and will get lower the lower the sneakers get in size. Now, with the most recent Air Jordan 4 Lightning released last week, I think a lot of people are sleeping on this women's Air Jordan 4 Shimmer. And the reason why I think this could be a really good investment or a hold for the future is all it takes is one TikTok influencer to wear this pair of sneakers, which is a cheaper alternative to the off-white Air Jordan 4 that currently resells for over $2,000. So in terms of the sale versus the hold for the Air Jordan 4 Shimmer, I think these will at least do as well as the Laser Orange 3s, of course, but I would expect these to be a better hold, especially in sizes 10 and up. And the best sizes that you can possibly cop are going to be that 11, 11.5, and 12 in women's sizing. The fact that it draws a lot of inspiration from a grail that a lot of people just unfortunately can't afford, I think this is a cheaper alternative and would expect these to pop off. So if your cash flow allows it, would definitely hold this sneaker, especially if you do have some of the larger sizes.